How's it going? Well, today is the day I'm in here, and, well, my buddy Bathman is along too. So, say something to the people, Bathman.
Hey everybody, how are you? I hope everything's going super good. You had a wonderful Merry Christmas, and, well, Wild Man, why don't you take it from here?
All right, Bathman, sounds good. Well, what we got going on here, let me show everybody, because really you couldn't see much from when the sitting down on the countertop here. But today is the day, Bathman, that we will be taking the countertop out, the vanity out here, to start the tiling aspect over in the tub area here. So I thought about this good and hard, and decided that this eventually has to come out anyways and be replaced by the vanity that's right here. We'll put that in there, and it is a little bit shorter than what we have in here, but it actually, you can see this little mark on here. I do some planning, but the countertop that I have to go on there will come all this way, but then I'll have an open space under there, and I thought, I could have little shelves or whatever, or maybe even put the trash can there. But in the meantime, I got to get this out of here, and then it'll give me space to set up for cutting my tile and what have you, to do the tiling here in the tub area. So very excited about this. I pulled out, remember I had replaced this sink with the white one, because there used to be a red one in here and the faucets didn't work and such. It was a mess. And look at that beautiful wall covering. Oh my gosh. It's going to be really a shame to cover that all up, but what are you going to do? What do you think about that, Bathman?
Well, Wild Man, I think that it's a sad thing. It just kind of covers up the past. But, without a past, there is never a future. So, with profound words like that, I say, move on into the future and get it done. Tear it out. Haul it out and burn it, man. Burn it up.
All right, Bathman, let's get at it.
All right, get on it, Wild Man, and we'll see what happens later on.